karne na pinakuluan ko. This is the pork belly that I boiled it first. Then I'm gonna put some gulay. It's beans. So ito na yung ano. This is the one of the half of my cooking. So I'll put some just the cubes. And of course, I'm gonna put some green onion. Of course, everything you gotta wash it first, guys. Kailangan yung hugasan lahat. Lahat na bagay